Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Airlift 57338 is probably one of the most sought-after suspension upgrade kits for truck and SUV owners looking to enhance their vehicle's load carrying capacity and towing stability, offering a significant improvement over stock suspension systems by providing adjustable air springs that can be inflated to accommodate varying loads, ensuring a smoother ride and reducing squatting or sagging when hauling heavy cargo or towing trailers, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who frequently pushes their vehicle's limits. Number 5. Airlift WirelessOne 2nd Gen Plus Easy Mount. Meet the next evolution in air control. This system offers unparalleled convenience and performance for your vehicle. Manage your air springs with ease using the compact, wireless handheld controller. It features an LCD display and allows you to save up to 3 custom presets. Get back on the road faster. The Easy Mount system is designed to reduce installation time by up to 1 hour, making setup a breeze. Our free mobile app, available for both iOS and Android, connects seamlessly to the Bluetooth-enabled manifold. This allows for intuitive control and monitoring right from your smartphone. Installation is straightforward, with the unit connecting directly to your battery in approximately 1 hour. Enjoy enhanced ride comfort without the hassle. Keep your system running optimally with over-the-air software updates. These updates are delivered conveniently through the free mobile app. What we like. This system offers ultimate convenience with its wireless handheld controller and mobile app. You can easily adjust your air springs from anywhere. If you're looking for a modern, hassle-free solution that reduces installation time, this is the one for you. What people say. It came with all the hardware to pretty much install it anywhere. The Easy Mount did make the installation much easier than it would have been if I had to drill holes into my truck frame. Pairing the remote control was also easy and straightforward, as well as the Android app they provide. Number 4. Airlift LoadLifter 5000 Air Spring Kit. Introducing the Airlift LoadLifter 5000, designed to level your vehicle. It ensures a safe and comfortable ride, even when towing or hauling heavy loads. Experience superior load leveling with up to 5,000 pounds of capability. This system provides the support you need for demanding tasks. Get back on the road quickly with our easy-to-install design. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. Ensure a perfect fit for your specific vehicle. Please refer to the product description for detailed fitment information. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This kit provides robust support for heavy loads, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride when towing or hauling. With up to 5,000 pounds of leveling capability and a lifetime warranty, it's ideal for those who frequently tow or carry heavy cargo and want peace of mind. What people say. Installation was pretty quick and straightforward. These worked perfect. The brackets fit perfectly on my 2017 Sierra 1500, 6.5-foot bed. Instructions were clear and easy to follow. It took me about 3 hours for the entire job, including getting out tools, lifting my truck, removing tires, and the reverse, by myself. I could have gone a little faster, but I was being very careful to do it correctly the first time. Towed a travel trailer with a gross weight of 7,500 pounds, a tongue weight of 850 pounds and around 400 pounds of bikes and gear in the truck bed. I found that 45 psi worked well for Maine. It slowed down the bouncing and kept my truck riding flat. After hooking up our RV, we can raise the airbags and it levels the truck out quickly. And takes a lot of the bounce out of the ride. Even without a load on, the truck rides smoother. I do recommend purchasing the compressor for a much easier time of filling the airbags. It's a pretty quick install as well. Then you don't have to manually fill them. You can use a remote control from inside the truck and check the air driving down the road. Number 3. Airlift LoadLifter 5000 Air Spring Kit. Introducing the Airlift LoadLifter 5000 Air Spring Kit, designed for your Ram 1500. Ensure a safe and comfortable ride, even with heavy loads. Achieve perfect vehicle balance when towing or hauling. These adjustable air springs provide the support you need for a smooth experience. Experience up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capability. It's engineered to handle your toughest jobs with ease. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included detailed instructions. Get back on the road quickly and confidently. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty and a 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Designed specifically for newer Ram 1500s, this kit offers excellent load leveling performance. It provides up to 5,000 pounds of support for towing and hauling needs. If you own a 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500 and need reliable support for your adventures, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The product works great and is easy to install. I love the design of this product, it's very sleek and modern. The features are amazing, especially the automatic shut-off function. Number 2. AirLift LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate Air Spring Kit. Introducing the LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate Air Spring Kit. Experience superior load leveling capabilities for your vehicle. This kit offers adjustable air springs, allowing you to fine-tune your suspension for optimal comfort and control. It features an internal jounce bumper for enhanced performance. Designed for a precise, vehicle-specific fit, ensuring seamless integration with your existing setup. Installation is straightforward and can typically be completed in about 2 hours. The package dimensions are 25.9 L x 36.3 H x 29.2 W cm. Built to last, it provides reliable support for heavy loads. You can safely operate your vehicle with zero air pressure in the springs if needed. This provides flexibility and peace of mind. What we like. This ultimate kit features an internal jounce bumper for enhanced ride quality and can safely run with zero air pressure. If you're looking for a premium rear air spring solution that offers a smoother ride and the flexibility to operate without air, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The air lift works great and is easy to install. This air lift is a great addition to my truck, it makes hauling much easier. I love this air lift, it has made a huge difference in the way my truck handles when towing. Number 1. AirLift 73,000 Easy Wireless Air Control System App Only. Introducing the Wireless Air Control System. This innovative system allows you to manage your air springs directly from your smartphone. With the free iOS and Android mobile app, you can easily connect to the manifold via Bluetooth. No separate controller is needed, just your phone. It offers dual-path control, meaning you can manage all brands of air springs. This provides versatile and comprehensive management of your vehicle's suspension. Equipped with a heavy-duty air compressor, it ensures reliable performance. You can count on it for consistent and powerful air spring management. Enjoy the freedom to control your air springs individually from anywhere, at any time. Adjust your suspension on the go for optimal comfort and performance. Getting started is simple with the included easy-to-read installation guide. We've made setup straightforward so you can enjoy the benefits quickly. What we like. This system gives you complete control via a mobile app, allowing for individual adjustment of air springs from anywhere. If you already have air springs and want a modern, app-based control system without a separate controller, this heavy-duty compressor and manifold combo is for you. What people say. The product works great and is easy to install. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my car. The features are amazing, and it has exceeded my expectations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.